Hi friends, welcome again to Queen's Kitchen. Today's recipe which I'm going to share with you is boiled potato curry with puris. Puris are basically flat bread which we deep fry, and potatoes and we call it aloo ki sabji. So let's go to the recipe. It's very simple to make and very good breakfast to have on weekend. So let's go to the recipe and have a look how do we make this special potato curry with puris. For making potato curry, I have taken mustard oil in the pan which I have heated it properly, and I'm adding some mustard seeds into it, followed by some cumin seeds. Wait until mustard seeds sputter, and then we'll add some split coriander seeds, followed by some whole red chilies and some curry leaves. Saute them all together, and I have just soaked some fennel seeds and some fenugreek seeds in the water half an hour ago, which I'm adding at the same time, and we adding it to it as well. And now I'm adding some turmeric powder, followed by some paprika. Paprika just enhances the color and just give a little bit of hotness to the curry as well. Now we'll just cook them, and we'll add some garam masala. So this is very simple and straightforward curry I'm showing you today. And I'm adding some canned tomatoes, diced tomatoes, but you can also add fresh tomato as well as some tomato puree to it. So it's no garlic, no ginger, no onion curry. And we'll add some salt to taste. It really tastes yummy, so make sure you try this one time at home. And add some water, and we'll cook it for a little while. I'll cover it with lid for 5 to 10 minutes until the tomatoes get tender and also the oil has been separated. That means our tempering is almost ready, and the water has been evaporated nicely, as you can see as well, and my tomatoes are nicely tendered. Now we will add our boiled potatoes, which I have cut into small pieces, as you can see, and just mix all these together. So it doesn't take long to cook this curry as well, hardly 10 minutes if you have boiled potatoes handy with you. And now I'm adding water for the gravy, and you can choose to make it thinner in consistency or thicker, it's up to you. So I like medium consistency, and I've added like nearly 1 cup of water to it, and make it to boil on full flame. And then we will cover it for another 10 minutes on simmer flame. And also in the meantime I'll start making puris. So puris are basically deep fried flat breads. So for that I have taken wheat flour dough, which you can go into my previous videos that where I showed you how to make a wheat flour dough or atta dough at home. So I'm using atta dough, and I've greased my rolling pin as well as the surface, and my oil is heated in the meantime. So for the puris, the trick is the oil has to be very well heated, and I'm using vegetable oil to make puris. And then put it in, cook it from one side for a couple of seconds, then turn the side, and you can see it starts puffed up, which is a like the beauty of puri, that it needs to be puffed up nicely. And then we will cook it from both the sides to get that golden brown color. From this side it's almost ready, and from the other side it's getting ready as well, and our puri is ready as well. So this is very quick breakfast. You can see our potato curry is all ready to be served. You can also garnish it with some coriander leaves, which I'm not using it, but yeah, all done. Our breakfast is done, very quick and yummy breakfast, and you can serve it with some salad. I'm using onion and some pickle, and enjoy this breakfast over the weekend. And just let me know in the comments that how do you like it. I'll see you again in next interesting video. Until then, bye.